Hey there, I'm Andrew Larder with MarketingSharks.com. Fresh out this morning is Viral Faces AI, and they call it an unlimited AI face video creator, which is meaningless. What it is it's a marketing system that cranks out YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok videos. It creates them, it makes them go viral. You can do all the video editing kind of stuff that you need, but also you can grab the leads, you can send out broadcast videos, you can send out follow-ups. Not broadcast videos, broadcast emails. So it's a complete marketing system, and I'll show you a little bit inside. First off, I like to start at the finish. $17.95 is the price. There's a $3 off discount coupon code. You click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. There is a description of all about this. Then there's the upgrade offers, and at the bottom of that blog post is a $3 off discount coupon code. Then you click the product boxes right there. Poof, you're at this page. I'm sort of a little ways down into it because I'm going to show you a bit about what's going on. So let's take a look here. This has the features coming up right away. The beginning is kind of more blah, blah, blah about video editing. You get the idea that it edits minutes. Now here we go. I'm just going to scream through this. 3 different modes, upload your own image, create face videos. That's getting the biggest traffic now. You can use AI to create a script, or you can copy and paste one up, use your voice or emotional AI video or voice, music tracks, get rid of the background and change it, one-click subtitle generator, customize your video. That's the important part. Then what are you gonna do with the video? You spent some time to make it. Here you go. 10 times your traffic and profits with a one-click social lead generation system. 10 times your profits in the shortest time possible. How does that work? Well, it's going to collect leads directly from your videos on YouTube, Instagram Reels, Facebook, and add them to your email list. Then it collects up to 25,000 leads, syncs your leads. Obviously, if you've got GetResponse, Aweber, that kind of thing, it'll shoot them over there. Automatically follow up and broadcast messages to make sales on automation. That's pretty cool. They're interested in this product. They get followed up, broadcast messages, and then follow-ups about this particular product. No need to pay for autoresponders anymore. That saves you a ton of money, but it makes it a complete video marketing system. That's really the important part about all this. I'm going to scream. There's a bunch of bonuses, artificial intelligence involved. I'm really going to scream down and just go to blah, blah, blah. It's a bunch of bonuses. You can read all this on the page. Here we go. So I'm just going to rip through this part. There's an upgrade offer that you'll see just underneath this. But here we go. Unlimited traffic, 3 different modes. We mentioned a lot of this already. Create the script. So you make the videos, use your own voice or the AI, add video, music, transform your videos, reach a broader audience with the subtitle generator, then 10 times your video with the social lead generation, collect the leads, automatically follow up or broadcast messages. There's some great bonuses that are included here. I think like 10 of them. And the whole 9 yards, $17.95. There we go. That's what I was getting down to. $17.95, $3 off discount coupon code at my site. Click the link, and it'll take you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. The bottom of that blog post has a $3 off code, and then you click the product box. You can grab it for $14.95. Go check it out. Called Viral Faces AI, fresh out this morning. The cutting edge of video marketing using shorts and reels. Enjoy. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com.